Welcome to Explora Journeys. This is Explora I. We are going to take a peek at a premier penthouse suite today. There are many levels of suites on this ship, but this is the one we want to check out. So come with me. Nice entrance area. When you come in, you're going to see you have an entrance into the bedroom. This is a closet and makeup area. And then the ensuite bathroom is back here and to the left, which is a really nice size for an ensuite bathroom. So if you come in here with me, you're going to see that you have a full sink, one sink, restroom, and a nice size shower, which showers are not always huge on cruise ships. So this is an awesome size shower when you want to be able to enjoy and relax in the shower area. This does have a separate living area, which is really nice. You're gonna see that you do have a closing door from the bedroom suite area into the living room, which is a really big benefit if somebody's sleeping in and somebody wants to get up in the morning. You do have a table that seats 4, which is nice if you want to do in-suite dining. And then the great area, the great option, is to take a peek here at the balconies. So nice sitting area with a lounge, and then of course a table with 2 chairs. So we are super excited about our time on this ship, this ensuite, all suite cruise, which is with Explora I. So come along for a journey the rest of the week.